After 60, walking often becomes slower and more tiring. One of the main reasons is simple. Your calf muscles lose strength with age. The good news is you can strengthen them with one simple exercise. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and how to make it more effective than a regular calf raise. Your calf muscles are critical for walking. Every time you take a step, they help push your body forward. But as you get older, your calves are one of the muscle groups that can lose strength quickly. And when your calves become weaker, every step requires more effort. That's why keeping your calves strong is so important if you want to maintain strong, comfortable walking as you age. Now, most people strengthen their calves with a basic heel raise. You stand upright and simply raise your heels off the floor. That's a good exercise, but there's a small change that makes the movement much more challenging. It's called the forward lean calf raise, and here's exactly how to do it. Stand facing a wall or a sturdy countertop. Place both hands on the surface for support, then take 1 or 2 small steps backward. Keep your feet flat on the floor and lean your body forward while keeping your body straight. Your hands should provide enough support to keep you stable. From this position, push through the balls of your feet and raise your heels. Squeeze your calves at the top. Then slowly lower your heels back down, up, and slowly back down. Don't rush this movement. At the bottom, allow your ankles to bend naturally until you feel a gentle stretch in your calves. Then push up and squeeze the muscles at the top. This forward lean increases the amount of movement at your ankle. Instead of simply going from a flat foot to your tiptoes, your calves work through a larger range of motion. That makes the exercise significantly more challenging than a standard calf raise. Now, here's the key to getting results. Perform one set and do as many controlled repetitions as you can before your calves become tired. You don't need to move quickly, and you should never push through pain. Use the wall or countertop for support. Keep the movement controlled and focus on your calves doing the work. Make this exercise part of your daily routine for the next 21 days. Over those 21 days, you'll give your calves consistent work and build the strength they need to support your walking. And remember, your calves aren't the only muscles that matter. If you want to walk farther, move more easily, and keep your legs strong as you get older, there's another muscle group you need to train. I've made another video showing you exactly which muscle it is and the exercise you should be doing. Click on that video on your screen now, and I'll see you there.